Hello, this is Pat Walker at Mission Winners doing a key list video analysis for everybody on Vertex. Vertex, it's in the biotechnology group. And what I like to do is, and this is from years of research and doing things through Investors Business Daily meetups and teaching this. This stock is in the medical biotech group. It's group number 35. The group rating is A-. SMR is A. Accumulation distribution is A-. Composite rating is 99. Timeliness is A. Last quarter's earnings were up 56%. Sales up 13%. Relative strength 91. This is how we build a case, folks. We look, and these are important, we look at the numbers. We want leading stocks and leading groups. Relative strength is 91, leading the stock in the new high ground. And this is a great setup. I'm going to make this a little smaller for you so you can see something. There's the chart. You can say, well, that's okay, but watch this. That's the daily. Here's the weekly. And this is why I like looking at dailies and weeklies. You can see this has formed a great big cup. It pulled back last week and formed a small handle on the weekly chart and then took off and followed through this week. Go back to the daily, and you can see it ran up, it pulled back, and then took off. Some very important lessons here. And again, it's got an earnings per share rank of 97 and a composite rating of 99. Things we look for to build a case. Last quarter's earnings up 56%. I'll say it again. It rallied up, and this is the setup that we use. It rallied up, and then it pulled back on decreasing volume. And then it fell, and I'll make this bigger to show you. This is important. It gapped down, it fell, and it approached the rising 21-day. It found support here on the 21-day moving average, 21-day exponential, and closed near the highs. And we at Mission Winners, we like to train our eyes on how to look for this. When I was doing the IBD meetups, I did the same thing. Slide the chart back to before the thing took place to train your eyes. So here it is. It runs up, it pulls back, it finds support near the 21-day, it gaps down, it falls, and closes near the highs. They didn't sell that bar, they bought that bar. So what's the setup that we use at Mission Winners? And again, this was on the key list. Taking out the highs of this bar would be a trigger. It's group number 35, by the way, A-. Advance it one bar. It gaps up, pulls back a bit, and lifts. There's your trigger to buy. And we did a couple of times. Also, note, look at the volume. This is a very important foundation at Mission Winners we use. People talk with their mouths and vote with their pocketbooks. They voted. And again, this was on the key list. This was bought in here. So you can say, well, that's really nice. Let's continue onwards. Oh, that looks pretty good too. Look at this bar. It opens basically unchanged and then pulls back just a bit and then lifts and takes out the highs of these bars. That can be a spot to buy more, which we did. Okay. Igniting bar, follow up igniting bar with good volume. So we're in good shape with this. And then you can say, well, what about today? And today it goes up even higher. Now, we didn't add here. Why? Because it rallied up. It's a bit extended. It's a fast move. And the volume wasn't that high. But that's building a case. It's group A-, SMR A, accumulation distribution A-, composite rating 99, timeliness A, last quarter's earnings up 56%. This is how we build a case at Mission Winners. This stock was on the key list, rallies up. It's a pullback setup, bounces off the rising 21-day, and there are triggers to buy there. And we did.
Thank you for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit like. Maybe hit that subscribe button. We come up with new content nearly every day. Also, check out the videos on the right. YouTube recommends the one on the top, and the bottom one is something we thought you might enjoy. See you next time.